Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to study for digital marketing step by step. Start by defining clear goals for each channel and set a realistic weekly schedule. Break topics into small tasks and pick one project to apply each skill. Focus on measurable outcomes like traffic, conversions, or email subscribers. Use short study sprints and consistent practice to turn theory into repeatable results that you can show to employers or clients. Build a foundation by learning SEO, paid advertising, and analytics with hands-on tasks. Start small with keyword research, a basic audit, and a test ad campaign with a modest budget. Track results using analytics and focus on KPIs like conversion rate and cost per acquisition. Repeat experiments to see what works, then scale what performs. Keep notes on tactics and outcomes so you can replicate success across projects and clients. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money, and it pairs well with learning marketing so you can make smarter financial decisions as you grow income streams. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want fewer ads, consider a quieter playlist for study. Now let's get back to the video. Follow a structured 12-week plan that alternates focused learning with applied projects. Each week, spend dedicated time on one skill and immediately apply it to a live project or mock client. Track metrics, document changes, and use results to iterate and improve. Join communities for feedback and use templates to speed up execution. This approach builds confidence, creates portfolio pieces, and teaches you how to solve real marketing problems efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.